This video is my everyday go-to eyelash look. I wanted to film this video just because I felt like the technique in itself was perfect for several reasons. One being, if you happen to lose an eyelash and you have a favorite pair of eyelashes, you can still utilize those eyelashes by using these techniques. And also the way that I apply these eyelashes are great for windy days, just so you can ensure that your lashes stay on all day. First things first, starting with supplies, you're going to need your favorite pair of false eyelashes. Whether you have a full set or just one eyelash, you're definitely going to need your favorite pair of false eyelashes. You're also going to need eyelash glue, and I use tweezers. If you prefer to use your fingers or other eyelash tools, do such, but as said, I use tweezers. Next, we're going to take that favorite eyelash, fold it in half, and cut at the center. After you cut at the center, take your first section and cut that in half again, and do the same with the second section. After that's done, you should have 4 what we're going to call clusters of eyelashes. After you have your clusters cut, we're going to add eyelash glue to the top of the band, and once the glue becomes tacky, apply them underneath your natural eyelash. For a natural everyday angel wing look, I start at the outer corners and work my way until about the center of my eye. If you want a look that is a natural everyday wispy look, you would just use the same technique with another eyelash and fill in your lash line completely. And voila, it's that simple. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned in by subscribing. I'll holler at y'all in my next video.